Welcome to this guided meditation, scripted originally by Bernie Clark with a few modifications. In this meditation we will cultivate the attitude of stillness and we will connect with a deep silence. Let's start. Begin by allowing your awareness to sink into your lower belly. From here, notice the rhythm of your own breath. Feel the rising and falling of each inhalation and exhalation. Do not try to change anything. Just notice and feel the breath as it is. Now allow your awareness to broaden. Notice other feelings in your body. Your weight on the floor. The temperature of the air against your skin. The sounds around you. Now bring your awareness to the heart level and check in with the state of your emotions. Look closely and don't dismiss anything that appears. The emotion might be small or big. The key is to notice what is arising without judging yourself for what is there. Just notice what is happening right now. Allow your awareness to rise to that point right between the eyes. And from here, start to pay attention to the thoughts arising. Don't try to stop them. Just watch each new one arise. Notice it and let it float away. And now let's open up to the stillness inside of us. Feel how your body becomes as still as a great mountain, unaffected by the winds and dramas swirling around it. Clouds come and clouds go, rain pelt and snows melt, but the mountain remains. Feel how your breath becomes quiet, unlabored and gentle. Like the surface of a mountain lake, unruffled by wayward breezes, the breath is calm. A soft, rhythmic ocean sound of the breath will assist with calming the mind. You may try to extend the breath to 4 seconds or longer on each inhalation and exhalation. There may arise natural pauses between the inhalations and exhalations. In the pauses between the breaths is the deepest stillness. Allow the breath to be long, even and deep. Allow the stillness to arise. Now feel the stillness in the mind. The mind and the breath are like two fish in a school. When one moves, the other moves. We slowed the breath down and started to breathe more deeply. Now feel how your mind slowed down. Feel how your mind becomes still, like the deep blue of the sky. The sky is always with us. Clouds may block our view, but we know with certainty that behind the clouds, the deep blue sky is there. Open up to that stillness. See the clouds of thoughts drifting away and feel how you connect to your true nature. Connect with your stillness. We cannot force this. Stillness must arise spontaneously of its own accord. Feel your deep awareness, the stillness of your mind, the calmness of the breath, with a silent, quiet body. Commit to this stillness and allow whatever arises to be just what it is. We now have 5 minutes of silence together. Okay. Now we are going to gently come back to the present moment and our day-to-day life. Start to stretch your toes, your fingers, and other stretches in your body that feel good. Gently arrive back into your room. Start to notice any sounds around you. And then when you are ready, open your eyes.